Hey guys, just got a quick tip for you today. So if you are pressing your lighter on your gas grill and it's not lighting, first thing, make sure your gas is turned on. But assuming that it is, you're most likely going to need to replace your battery in here. So pretty simple. All you do is you unscrew this, turn to the left, and you'll see there's a battery in here. In my case, I just have I think this is a AA battery. And this one I'm pretty sure is good, so I'm just going to pop it right back in. And make sure if you have the spring in the back, then you're going to want to put the flat side on that. And then screw your button back on. And you should be good to go. Alright, so that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.